let's solve this together. It says sine x is equal to root of 5 minus 1 over 4. We're going to solve for the value of cos 2x, okay? Now, the first things first, you can see that sine x is equal to opposites over hypotenuse of a triangle, and cos x is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse of that same triangle, okay? Now, the triangle we're talking about is a right angle triangle, okay? So, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposites, and this is the adjacent, alright? Now, having this now, we can now say, what is cos 2x? Let me just say what cos 2x is before we solve. Now, cos 2x can be said to be equal to cos of, in brackets, x plus x, okay? And when we have cos in brackets of x plus x, okay, so that's cos 2x, is equal to, so we have cos x times cos x minus sine x times sine x, okay? So this is what we have. And this is equal to cos squared x, okay, that's this times this, minus sine squared x, okay? That cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1, okay? Now from here, we can say now that our cos squared x, so our cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x, right? So this is a trigonometric relation. So we can say, changing cos squared x with 1 minus sine squared x in this expression, we have now that our cos 2x will become equal to, so instead of cos squared x, we now have what? 1 minus sine squared x. Then we have minus sine squared x. Okay? Now moving on from here, we can now say that this becomes equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay? Now, recall that this is cos 2x, and that's what we're required to find in this equation. Now we say, what's our sine squared x? Our sine x is root of 5 minus 1 over 4. So we say sine x, okay, from the equation is equal to root of 5 minus 1 all over 4. Hence, from here, sine squared x will be equal to what? This, okay, squared is now our sine squared x, okay? Now we have that this is equal to root of 5 minus 1 all squared divided by 4 squared is 16. And this is equal to root of 5 squared is 5 minus 1 squared is plus 1. Then we have 1 times root of 5 is root of 5 times 2 is 2 root 5, and this is minus, so we have minus 2 root 5 divided by 16, okay? From here we now have that sine squared x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16, which is equal to 3 minus root 5 divided by 8, okay? Now, but recall that we have our cos 2x, so this is sine squared x, don't forget. Now, our cos 2x, which are required to find, is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x, okay? And let's substitute. So this becomes equal to 1 minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus root 5 divided by 8, okay? Moving on from here, we now have our cos 2x is equal to, okay, so this is 1 minus 2, take 8 here to give us 4. So we have 3 minus root 5 divided by 4, okay? Now, this one can be expressed as 4, okay, minus into 3 minus root 5, okay? And then we have all over 4, okay? Now, this is equal to 4 minus 3 plus root 5 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 plus root 5 all over 4. Okay, this is our cos 2x. Okay.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.